was aggrieved by the delay in developing and launching of that victims' rights charter. Mr. Savla claims to be a victim and believes that more needs to be done to make sure other victims like him do not suffer. He is a victim of a family-related crime, and he says his experiences exposed him to deeply frustrating flaws in the system, leading him to believe that an operational victims' rights charter could have given him better support. And it is this personal frustration that anchors his drive to have this particular law enacted, and also streamlining of the victims, operations of the Victims Protection Board established in the year 2016. The other petition was from Mr. Paulo Mutembei concerning the Torobek community, a marginalized community that is seeking recognition, that claims to be marginalized, and that has also presented human rights. Further guidance from the Speaker of the Senate, Honorable Amason Kingi, regarding the status of quorum in the Senate this morning, and he has added more time. The bell is still ringing, more time so that our members can come in. What awaits them is question time, hearing from the Cabinet Secretary Education, Ezekiel Machogu, and eight matters await him in the Senate this morning. Issues that touch on the education sector, which he should address this morning. Probably address that, and also the fact that this morning public schools in Nairobi, Mombasa, and Kisumu remain closed for security purposes and to protect learners and teachers and parents, as it were, in the event or in case of any eventuality that might arise from the anti-government protests. The clerks of the Senate on standby, as are the orderlies who are just checking to see who is within the chambers and who is yet to clock in. A minimum 15 senators required. That is what constitutes a quorum of the Senate. And a number that is really ideally achievable. And as per the standing orders of the Senate, standing orders 39, 40, 41, that speak to quorum of proceedings, to start with 39, which says that a quorum of the Senate, or a committee for that matter of the whole, shall be 15 senators. That is a number we are lacking this morning. And that if there is no quorum present, then the chair is taken at the